Without the love of Allah, life is bleak. This is because there is a void in every person's heart which can only be filled with the love of Allah. Without love, a person's life will be full of sadness, anxiety, pains, and regrets. On the other hand, when the heart overflows with His love, a person will experience bliss and contentment. Ibn al-Qayyim's words echo through the corridors of time, emphasizing the unparalleled joy found in knowing and loving Allah. He likens other fleeting pleasures of the world to a mere droplet in the vast ocean of divine love. Indeed, the soul, heart, and body find their true purpose in knowing and loving Allah, their Creator. Love, the essence of servitude, is the key to unlocking the secret of La ilaha illa Allah, the declaration of faith that affirms the oneness of Allah. It is this love that forms the bedrock of our faith, infusing every aspect of our being with devotion and reverence. Without it, one is like a vessel adrift in the vast expanse of existence, devoid of purpose and direction. Our very raison d'être lies in worshiping Allah, an act that encompasses both utmost humility and profound love. Without love, worship loses its soul, its essence, rendering it a mere shell devoid of meaning. It is through love that we find fulfillment in fulfilling our purpose, for it is love that drives us to embrace our duties willingly and joyfully. As the heart finds solace and delight in drawing closer to Allah, every other object of affection pales in comparison. This reality, encapsulated in the declaration of La ilaha illa Allah, lies at the heart of Ibrahim's faith, the friend of Allah, and indeed the legacy of all prophets and messengers. In the tapestry of existence, love emerges as the thread that binds us to our Creator, guiding us through life's trials and tribulations with unwavering devotion. It is through love that we find meaning in our worship, purpose in our existence, and ultimately, solace in the embrace of the divine. In our journey through life's tapestry, we encounter moments of exquisite beauty and perfection, each a mere glimpse of Allah's essence. For He is the embodiment of both perfection and beauty, and every splendor on earth reflects His divine magnificence, though our finite minds can only grasp a fraction of it. Yet, even in our limited perception, our hearts, inherently drawn to beauty, recognize His grace woven into the fabric of existence. Our inclination to love those who show kindness to us is a testament to Allah's boundless love for His creation. Unlike human relationships, often transactional in nature, Allah's love is unconditional, selfless, and without expectation of reciprocity. His benevolence knows no bounds, showering blessings upon us ceaselessly, regardless of our deeds. In His forgiveness lies a mercy so profound, it encompasses even the gravest of sins. He veils our faults, offering us countless opportunities for redemption without reproach or humiliation. His closeness and eagerness to answer our prayers are but manifestations of His infinite love and generosity. Faced with such boundless grace and mercy, how can we not reciprocate His love? As believers, we embark on our journey to Allah with hearts brimming with love, fear, and hope. Ibn Taymiyyah's words resonate deeply, reminding us of the forces that draw us closer to our Creator. Among these, love reigns supreme, an eternal pursuit coveted both in this world and the hereafter. Unlike fear, which dissipates in the afterlife, love endures, a beacon guiding us through eternity. Hope, while essential, must be tempered with action, lest it devolve into idle dreams. Similarly, fear, though a natural response to the unknown, must not consume us, lest it extinguish the light of faith within. Love, however, knows no bounds. It is an endless wellspring from which we draw, its depths unfathomable, its currents ever-flowing. For in the vast expanse of Allah's love, there is room for infinite devotion, each heartbeat a testament to the boundless affection we hold for our Creator. And in this love lies our salvation, our purpose, our eternal bond with the divine. In the annals of faith, there exists a profound truth. When the love of Allah takes root in the heart, nothing in the vast expanse of existence can sever the bond between the believer and their beloved. It is a love so consuming, so transcendent, that it eclipses all worldly attachments, rendering them insignificant in comparison. To love Allah authentically is to prioritize Him above all else, to hold His pleasure dearer than the most cherished relationships, wealth, or possessions. Such is the essence of devotion, the hallmark of those who walk the path of faith with unwavering resolve. The companions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, exemplars of this profound love, lived and breathed the verse from the Quran that underscores the primacy of Allah's love. Their hearts, illuminated by divine grace, found solace in surrendering everything for the sake of their beloved. Take, for instance, the legendary companion Mus'ab ibn Umair, whose transformation from a life of luxury to one of simplicity exemplified the power of Allah's love. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, beheld him, clad in humble attire, and remarked on the radiance of his heart. A heart that once reveled in opulence, but now found its fulfillment in the love of Allah and His Messenger. But how does one discern the authenticity of their love for Allah? The Quran provides a litmus test. True love for Allah manifests in obedience to His Messenger. It is a love that permeates every facet of one's being, dictating their actions, thoughts, and desires. Yet, mere claims of love are insufficient. True devotion necessitates compliance with Allah's commands. For to claim love without obedience is to dwell in delusion, a state devoid of true faith and understanding. Indeed, the journey to attaining Allah's love is arduous, fraught with trials and tribulations. At the outset, one may find their heart shackled by worldly desires, unable to fully embrace what Allah loves. Yet, through sincere worship and devotion, the heart gradually emancipates itself from the fetters of desire, aligning its preferences with those of its Creator. In this journey of love, the Quran emerges as a beacon of guidance, a testament to one's affection for Allah. For in loving His words, one inherently loves Him, as the Quran is the embodiment of His divine wisdom and guidance. In the tapestry of faith, the love of Allah is the golden thread that binds the believer to their Creator, a love so profound, so enduring, that it transcends the boundaries of time and space, guiding them ever closer to the embrace of the divine. I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to you for your support on Patreon. It is thanks to you that I am able to continue acquiring Islamic books, creating and sharing quality content on Islam. Your contribution enables me to reach a broader audience and have a positive impact on the Muslim community. Your generosity inspires me to produce high-quality videos and share my knowledge about Islam. May Allah reward you for your kindness and ongoing support.